Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobre Motorsport channel. Today, I'm going to tell you about an accessory I have here. The LED sills for the front, passenger, and driver's door known as the Audi LED door sills. They look really great. I'm going to share a short clip so you can see how they work. They emit a bright white light and have a steady illumination, with some variations in the lighting which is perfectly normal. After a few seconds, they keep the light on continuously. These are some really cool sills and I am fond of them. They can be installed on models that came with built-in footlights since they are connected to these footlights. However, if a car doesn't have an original footlight, they can't be installed. They are quite reasonably priced and I managed to get them at an older dollar rate. So, if you're interested in purchasing these LED thresholds, contact me on our official Instagram, Noble Motorsport. Send me a message stating that you want to buy the LED sills. I'll send you the price and we can discuss the terms of sale. Alright? I'm going to leave a short video here for you to see what the sills look like. If you liked the video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel as it helps us a lot, and leave a comment. Would you put this sill on your car? Did you like them or not? Alright guys, that's it. Take care everyone. Bye bye.